Hey guys, so it is Friday and we are going to be doing our math assignment for today. And we are going to be talking again about times as many. And with times as many, guys, we are solving problems that talk about, so-and-so has this much, the other person has times as many as that person. So we're trying to figure out how to solve them. In this assignment, guys, you're going to be using the models that we have learned about: equal groups, area model, arrays, number lines, repeated addition to help you solve the problems. So this is where you get to use whatever model helps you for the problem. So you are going to be using the worksheet from Thursday because we didn't get to do that one, times as many, exit ticket, and there's a back to it that says multiplication models. So remember, we kind of pushed back some stuff so y'all could have some extra practice over the models. So let's get into our problem. It says Margie builds a cup tower with 6 cups. Adrian built a cup tower with 3 times as many cups as Margie. How many plastic cups did Adrian use? So it's telling me that Adrian built a cup tower 3 times as many cups as Margie did. Okay, so I know that my problem is going to start with 3 times. I don't know this one just yet, so let's go back and read what it says. 3 times as many cups as Margie. Well, up here it tells me Margie built a cup tower with 6 plastic cups. So I'm going to be doing 3 times 6 equals, that's what I'm going to be finding out. So it says model the problem 2 different ways. Okay, so we've learned a lot of different ways. Okay, we've learned equal groups. We've learned the repeated addition. We've learned arrays. We've learned area models. We've learned number lines. Okay, so we can use any of those to show this problem. It's whatever works for you. So if you think it's easier to do it in equal groups, do it in equal groups. If you think it's easy to do the repeated addition, do the repeated addition. It's what works for you. So I like equal groups, and that one's easy for me because I know that 3 times 6 is 3 groups of 6. I know that I can make 3 groups with 6 in each. Okay. And then I also know that I like to do the repeated addition, so I know that I could do 6 plus 6 plus 6, and that's going to equal, I know 6 and 6 make 12. 12 plus 6 makes 18. Okay, so my solution statement would be Adrian, because it wants to know how many plastic cups did Adrian use. Adrian used 18 plastic cups. Okay, so remember, these guys are how you want to model the problem. Okay, so on the back, you're going to be doing by yourself. It says model each problem 2 different ways in the space below. Record your solution as a statement. So write your answer in a sentence. So let's look at the problems it's wanting you to solve. It says Sade picked 4 times as many flowers as Lynn. Lynn picked 5 flowers. How many flowers did Sade pick? Guys, I would make sure that before you do your models, go ahead and write it out in a multiplication sentence, okay? And then do your 2 models. The bottom one says Paula uses 6 times as many stuffed animals as Martina. Martina has 3 stuffed animals. How many stuffed animals does Paula have? Now, on this one, it's saying that you have to use the number line. Okay, so remember how we did a number line. Now, this one could be equal groups. This one could be repeated addition. This one could be arrays. This could be area model. Okay, so this one you pick, but this one has to be a number line, and then write your sentence or your answer in a sentence. All right, guys. So remember, times as many is going to be, so if it says 3 times as many as 6, 3 times 6. Or if it says 4 times as much as 5, that's 4 times 5. Okay. All right, guys.